Hi, we are doing logarithm. Question is, if log a to the base 10 is b, find 10 raised to the power 3b minus 2 in terms of a. Now, whenever we are doing log, keep in mind the exponential or exponents rules also in your mind. Now, what is given to us? Log a to the base 10 is b, right? And what we have to find out? 10 raised to the power 3b minus 2. And in exponent we know that, in exponent we know that a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n becomes a raised to the power m minus n. That means if two numbers having the same base are divided, the powers get subtracted. So here we have 10 as the base and the power is in the form of subtraction. That means what is this? This is 10 raised to the power 3b divided by 10 raised to the power 2. So bases are same. So the powers get subtracted. That means it becomes 3b minus 2. So 10 raised to the power 3b minus 2 can be written as 10 raised to the power 3b by 10 raised to the power 2. Understood? So now what is given? Log a to the base 10 is b. Now we will change it into exponential form. In exponential form, how we change? Like if it is log a to the base b is equal to y, then it becomes b raised to the power y is equal to a. The base remains same and the log is changed with the solution of the log, right? That means 10 is the base over here. Base will be same and a will be replaced by b. Fine, is equal to a. So 10 raised to the power a becomes 10 raised to the power 10 raised to the power b becomes a. So now 10 raised to the power 3b minus 2 was 10 raised to the power 3b by 10 raised to the power 2. We can write this like this because it is a rule of exponent. When the powers get subtracted, it means the bases were same and they were being divided. Fine. So now 10 raised to the power b into 3. Why I did like this? Because I have 10 raised to the power b as a. So I can write 10 raised to the power 3b as 10 raised to the power b multiplied by 3. So we can write it like this. So this is 10 raised to the power 2. 10 raised to the power b is a. So a raised to the 10 raised to the power b is a. So instead of 10 raised to the power b, I will write a divided by 10 raised to the power 2, that is 100. So this will become a raised to the power 3 by 100. That's the value of 10 raised to the power 3b minus 2. So in log, sometimes we may also require to use the law of exponents.